espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it wasn't steaming properly, or it wasn't steaming at all. So we end up pretty much disassembling the whole machine, changing a bunch of gaskets, doing a ton of work, and it was just the solenoid that is located around here on the machine that was not opening and closing fully, so it wasn't letting any steam out at all. So just to test all the functions of the machine, let's just do one cappuccino. So we'll get everything at once. As you can see, it's not properly steaming, and there isn't work, but it should give us something that makes it come out exactly the same way it looks. Just with more foam and more body support. And there you have it, Gaggia Anima XL working once again. Thank you for your primary Kanen coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.